Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a part video, and this is basically what can I say, my organizational video, how I have my cutting and my cutting area set up. And basically, as many of you guys know, I just moved almost a year ago, and it's been, we got our stuff in January. I've been working, so I haven't had much time to dedicate myself to organizing this room the way I would like to. So, I will say that I had a lot of dies stored away in my son's room, and I finally pulled them out because I was like, I don't even know what I have. So, anyways, I've been finding a lot of finds, and it's amazing. I did just organize them, so I just wanted to show you guys. But I also wanted to show you guys where I do my die cutting, and how I have some of my papers and how I organize my dies, as I said. And so, this video is going to be I'm going to be using my hands, so it might be shaky a lot, so do apologize for that. Hopefully it doesn't get you dizzy. So let me go ahead and start off. So I'm only going to try to show you my die cutting table. The rest of the office, well, it is my office as well. It's my work office as well. The rest of the house is a little, or the room is a little unorganized, very unorganized. So let me go ahead and show you off right here. So like I said, I'm gonna be holding. So these, well, as you guys could see, this is the most of the paper punches I use, so that I put them in a little basket right there. All these right here are my papers, and all these right here that are in bags are my one colored cardstock. So that way, if I'm looking for pink, I could just pull the pink string, pull it out, and there is my paper. Have some paper pads right there, as well as up here. And then this is so for now it's my like junk stuff. So for now I'm just leaving that as, and as you guys could see, I have some candy canes in there. Yeah. Yeah. So this is my die cutting, or not my die cutting, my paper cutting. I do have my camera, my standing camera, so where I want to record a video there, I could do it there, or I can move it to the other side. And then I have another table on the other side, which you guys do not want to see, and that table is where I do all my crafting, so I can just move this either way. So let me go ahead and move over here, and this is my Big Shot Plus. I bought it before I moved, and it was in the box for the longest time, so I finally pulled it out. I did get this. It's a baker's rack. I did get it at Amazon. I will try to link it on the description below. You guys, it is amazing. I love it. It fits my Big Shot Plus. Awesome to have. And then this is where I put all my dice. You guys, look at. So I was organizing all my dice yesterday, and you should have seen my room. So that's where all my dies, and I will go down there right now, and I haven't taken the labels down here off because I wanted to show you guys what it is. So I'll go to that right now. This is my Big Plus, and that I just have my right there. Sorry, I'm trying to find my finger. I have my scraps right there, and then I have some scissors, some other stuff, and then I have my cutting plates right there. And then up here, as you guys could see, this is why I like it. It's a baker's rack, and it actually has that extra piece right here that goes all the way up there, and that's what it looks like. So for now, it's a mess, but it's working. I'm loving it, like I said. There you go. And then I have my what is it called? My corner rounders. Is that what they're called? Punches, and right there, and I have washi tape right there, so if I need to, when I'm cutting paper or something, if I need that, I could just put it up there. I wanted to show you guys. So I don't know, I had mentioned previously about when I'm cutting papers that my corners right here, all of my especially if they're boxes or anything, these are cutting off. So basically, this is a premium crease pad, and it works perfect. I did not even know I had it in my stash. I found it. I must have gotten it at Hobby Lobby, and I don't even know why I got it. And it was $4.99. Usually it's $19.99. So I've used it, and I am so happy that I bought it not knowing why I was buying it. And basically what it does, it cuts the paper and it creases everything, and it doesn't do that extra cut that I was having a problem with. So yeah, so let me go ahead and go down here. Like I said, I do apologize. Do not have a sturdy hand. So basically, I got these, as you guys could see, large pantry bin. And this is a bin that I purchased at Walmart. I had originally got two, and I decided to move this and use it as my sorter for my dice. You guys, this was $5.97 at Walmart. If you guys were to go to, I was looking at scrapbook.com, they have something similar, but their prices are like really expensive, and I was like, OMG. So when I found this, I was like, oh my goodness. So I still have to label these. I did have flowers here and animals here, so you guys could see this is my organizational. And these you guys can get, I got these at Amazon. The reason I was trying to pull this out kind of is because it has like a little, let me see if I could show you guys. It has, sorry, let me see if I could show you. There you go. So I don't know if you guys could see that. So this is like not completely all the way on the bottom. It's like a 2-tier. So this is a little lifted. So I like these, and I was so surprised that my bigs actually fit in here. So I could just go through them and say, hey, you know, I need that. Sorry, my hand was all in the way. But I like that. I like that. And like I said, it's a 2-tier. And the second tier is lifted up a little bit. It's not too much, but it fits all my dies. These are my like cupcakes and birthday. And these are my, what is it called? Like boxes. What is it? Another one. Boxes top. Oh my gosh, bag toppers. And this one right here is my words, my what is it called when you have nesting dice? Is that what they're called? Oh, that one's in the wrong place. My words, kind of like the nesting dice. Yeah. And then here, this one, sorry, like I said, I'm sorry, I'm moving a lot. This is my Christmas. This has Christmas, holidays, has some others. I still have to organize this one right here. And then I have my big ones, and I have my plus dies, and then I have more big die down here. Love it. And then I did just have this one as a little extra. It's just scrap stuff. I still have to organize it. And then I'm gonna show you this side right here, and I have more punches here. I have like shipping stuff, and then I have miscellaneous stuff. I still have to organize that. And then I have this right here, you guys. I bought these at Walmart for 97 cents before I moved. Put a lot of my beads in here, a lot of my beads are here. So I found some more. The price on these have gone up since I've last been at Walmart. I'm glad I bought a bunch of them. You guys, look at you guys. I like how this looks. And this is actually a Dollar Tree little bin that I have or had. And then this is what it looks like up here. And it's just my shipping, my Weight Watchers scale. I'm using that for shipping, and I'm adding a few ounces because I know sometimes they're off. And this is just the bag I just got, and I put my heat embossing there, and my bows there. Excuse me, you guys, I'm out of breath. And then I have some paper pads right here if I need to use those. So anyways, this is what it looks like so far. I hope you guys like this video. I do apologize for all the moving, for all the shaking, and if I inspired somebody, oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you for being inspired. And anyways, thank you again for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.